Hey traders, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Do me a favor, hit the like button and subscribe. And also check out my website, daytradingfearless.com. There's a link down below in the description. $99 lifetime subscription to my S&P Emini weekly trade zones and also video courses. So now this is going to be a live day trade. Watching the markets, right? We see our divergence right here. Okay. I'm literally going to put an order in at 22 even. Okay. Because what I'm looking for, and we're going to have 2 points of risk. We're going to look for 2 points winner. And this is essentially what I'm leaning against right here. Okay. This is what my typical kickback trade divergence looks like, right? So we have nice divergence. We even see it here, double bottom, right? Over here on our 512 tick chart. This is what I use this chart sometimes for, right? To help kind of, hey, I'm seeing it on two different time frames, right? Right here, we see the divergence this way. And now we saw the waterfall, right? Broke lower. And now what we're looking for is the kickback, right? And what I want to do is I want to get long. I'm leaning against these wicks, right? Body right here. This wick kind of somewhere in this area. Now, I don't want to risk more than 2 points, right? On this entire trade. So what's going to happen is I'm going to look for the best entry with the least amount of risk. Now, I could lean against this at 2150, but I may lose the, I may miss the trade. I want to try and get filled because I really, really like this trade setup. Now, while this is happening, I might look for another trade, okay, because as this trade's setting up, okay, I might look for a Fibonacci trade, right? And in this case, I might look for the Fibonacci pullback where I'm looking for the 61.8. We kind of just missed it right here, so I probably won't take this trade. But I do like how the 200 on the 512 lands right here at 33. What I may do is lean against this and just give it a 2 point stop, right? Because it'll hit the 75, right? Kind of front run this and just give it a discretionary 2 point stop loss. So essentially 33 to 35, right? I'll look for a short if it does rally. If it doesn't, then I want to see this pullback trade, right? The Fibonacci pullback. So we will see kind of what happens on this trade. I want these videos to hopefully help you guys to really hear what I'm talking through. I know there's a lot of people that love these videos. They're always looking, hey, it's kind of like, hey, what's the guy thinking during a trade? And that's what this trade's for, or this video's for, right? Down here, my holy grail, market profile, today only, right? Look at this little point of control starting to grow, right? Maybe we churn around it and then by the end of the day, pull this down. No. There's really not that much time left, but let's throw our order in, right? At 33. Remember, I'm looking to buy right inside this area, right essentially here. Okay. Now, I could have gone here and then used this, but I just the power of it, the push, but I think we could get here, right? Get in at the 33 level and then get a quick snap back. But we'll see, right? Look at that. There we go. We got filled there, right? And hit the 75. Now we're just looking for the momentum of the trade to just kind of pull right back. right? And trade around in that way. So, and look at this, right? Now, what we're using is we're actually using the 75, right, to lean on. But here's that pullback, right? And there we go. We just got filled for plus 8 ticks, right, on that. So with that being said, hopefully you guys like this video, right? I'm still going to watch for the pullback, but probably not. Time of day is very late, but look at how perfect that was, right? This is why I love this chart. It kind of all matches up. Kind of, we had the 200 there and things like that here. So hopefully that helps, guys. As always, thank you for watching these videos. Hopefully it was helpful, kind of getting into the brain of me. Sorry if I was a little kind of not out there with everything. I was kind of focusing on the trade while making this video too, but again, we kind of walked it through what we're looking for, had the Fibonacci, things like that. So great trade, and as always, thank you for watching my videos. We'll talk to you soon.